Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. You guys seem to love the commercial vehicles, so today we have the 2021 Chevy. What's weird is this... no, it doesn't say Silverado on it anymore. Good. This is the Chevrolet 4500 LCF. It's powered by a V8 with the gas-powered V8. Wow, why? What have I gone? Total price of $62,000. That's on the sticker. Does it say what it has for a motor? 38-gallon fuel tank. Nice. Engine number. It doesn't really say what engine it is, but it doesn't sound like any other engine I've seen. You can see the whole exhaust under there. Dumps out right here. Oh yeah. Put in perspective how big these mud flaps are. Yep. They're massive. Nah. I'm a child, okay? What can I say? If you wonder why you can hear so much induction noise, here's your intake, which goes down. It's a Vortex unit, Vortec I should say, because this is what same basic intake that's in the express vans. Here's where it starts getting weird. It's how you get into it. Look at the seating position. You are on the tire. You are the front wheel. So to get in, getting out is actually a little bit more difficult. Get in, I do foot there, foot up here, up and in. Then you have to reach for the door. All right. E-brake. Little cubby holes. Water bottle, that's fine. Pedals are on this side of the steering rack, so this foot does nothing. Your gas and brake. Does have a backup beeper because you can't see behind you. How many turns lock to lock? A lot. Although I will say the steering ratio or the turning radius, it's not awful. Redline's at 5,000 RPM. That's one of the lowest RPMs I've seen for a gas motor in a long time. No airbag in this either. No airbags. I mean, to be honest, I don't... Some semis have airbags. I don't know. This isn't a semi truck, so to say, but here we go. Big bump. Up and over. Now I want you guys, I'm going to slow down. I want you guys to listen because the intake noise on this is insane. It sounds really good. Let's see, over the speed bumps I'll actually go pretty slow because you are on the front tires, so if you fly over them, it hurts. Oh man, we love working here. I will say this is interesting vantage point of the lot. I'll say that right here, right now. Never seen the lot this way. Do we do the normal loop or do we have some fun? Let's have some fun. Let's see this thing in some tight situations. Steering. There we go. It's always fun to put vehicles that are gigantic into small spaces. Although, you know, it's not nearly as bad as I thought it would be. Handling, yes. Obviously not a sports car, not designed to be. But, you know what? It works. Oh, that intake. Oh, big bump. That hurts. It's actually a lot shorter than you might think while driving it. I'm driving it as if it was like a big semi. I'm taking turns, leaving really, really big gaps. It's actually not that long. It's just big. It's a box truck. It's a truck in the shape of a box. I will say, the way the steering wheel's designed, just like this is how you drive. You know, you can do stuff up here, up top. I will say though, people judge me all the time. Like, why do you review stuff like this? This is honestly, I haven't smiled this much driving something in the longest time. Like, it's just fun. Big bump. There it is. Oh. Wow. Torque. Torque is great. Wait. Suspension. Yes, it has that. Obviously, it's designed to be used under heavy loads. So when it's unloaded, if you drive just the cutaways with nothing on the back, it is absolutely brutal. I mean, it is honestly painful, but it's also a lot of fun. Like, if I take this at normal speed, if I went over this at 5 miles an hour, I get airborne. Oh, there it is. There it is. We're good. Gotta stay wide. I'll hit those trees. I want to know why we don't have this thing in Forza. Like, this is fun. This is honestly so much fun. Let's see here. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Oh yeah, you want to see lock to lock? It's locked that way. There we go. Oh yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.